Okay, this is my Dahon 1988 Mariner, stainless steel. We're going to take it back on Amtrak to my 60th year class reunion, and to get it on the train as carry-on baggage, I need to fold it up and put it in that bag. So these are going to be the steps. Very first thing I want to do is push down the handlebar and the seat the whole way. So release the little quick release here and shove that handlebar as far down as it'll go. Then I'm going to close this quick release again. And then the same thing with the seat, except there are two quick releases. So I'm going to do the bottom one first, undo it, push. Now the second one for this top seat, push, and we've got it all the way down as far as I can go. All right. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and lock the bottom one and then lock the top one. Now the next step is very important. I want to have this pedal straight up and down. This far side pedal, this other pedal on the other side actually has a little bolt on it that will unhook, and it'll fold too. But to get this thing folded right, this pedal needs to be straight up and down. Now I'm going to push. There's a little button right here on this support lever. I push that, and this button comes out, and then the handlebar swings down next to the tire, and then there's a lever right in here I need to push out, and now this whole bicycle will fold back, hopefully. Here we go. Here we go. Now back, bend. And again, the darn pedal comes, if it's not straight up, you're going to have some problems. And it's gotten down again. So, straight up, bend, straight up, and it clears right there. Now I've got it, okay? Clear, then this can come down, and there is a little coaster wheel, right here. It's got this little lever on it, but since I'm going to put it in the bag, well, I'll just pull it out. There's a coaster wheel, and now it'll sit on that coaster wheel. Then I'm going to turn this bike around so you can see it. Okay. Turn this around. This pedal has a little bolt with a plastic cap on it. You can undo this pedal and bring it up like so and slide it in there. Okay? Now this is as tight as you're going to get this bike. I've got a little tiny bungee right here, so I'm going to hook it onto my rack and then come around this and hook it again. This will just kind of keep it together for me. And then here's my bag. And so it's thicker in the back than in the front, but we're going to put the bag right here, stretch it out, and set my bicycle right inside. There we go. Oops, come on. And we'll start the zipper here anyway. Okay. Come to the front.
And there we are, fully zipped in its bag. My Dahon carry-on bicycle. Hopefully we'll get it back to Hastings, Nebraska in one piece on the Amtrak.